Lads, we got a delivery today from Tokyo all the way to Dungarvan, County Waterford. We just landed there now in our yard after a big long 3-month trip travelling around the world. So they were bought in the auction. They get transported across Japan to a yard, put into containers, put onto a ship, and then they have a long spin then on the ship. They've come all the ways from Japan, away from that war in the Middle East, down around the Cape of Good Hope and around Africa, up here all the ways to come into London, and then they go onto a feeder ship and they go across to Ireland. So once the ship lands in Dublin, they are brought, the container then is brought to a yard in Dublin, the cars are taken out of the container, loaded onto a truck, brought down here to Dungarvan, and then there's a long process of getting the cars ready, inspected, VRT'd, NCT'd, cleaned, photoed, put out in the forecourt, sold, and yeah, ready for their new owner.